Many men over 60 carry a worry they almost never speak aloud. It's not about money. It's not about career. It's about something far more personal and deeply tied to their sense of vitality and manhood. I hear it often in my office. A man leans forward, drops his voice, and says, "Doctor, something's wrong. I just can't anymore." Sometimes the words stop there, hanging in the air. Other times they're followed by a confession. My ejaculation is weaker than before. It's delayed. Some days, it doesn't happen at all. If this sounds familiar, I want you to remember two things. First, you are not alone. Second, this is not simply getting older, and it does not have to be permanent. I'm Dr. Marissa Blake, a board-certified urologist with over 30 years of experience helping men restore their sexual health naturally. For over 3 decades, I've helped men uncover the real reasons behind this loss of power. And it's rarely just one thing. Most of the time, 2 hidden forces are quietly working against you. They don't just affect your sexual function. They drain your confidence, dull your energy, and in some cases, signal deeper health issues. The pharmaceutical industry wants you to believe the only answers are found in a pill bottle or a needle, but that's not the full truth. Today, I'll expose these 2 silent enemies, show you exactly how they work, and reveal how you can fight them, naturally, with tools already in your kitchen. I'll also give you a bonus 2-minute habit that can speed up recovery. Stay with me. Understanding these enemies is the first step to defeating them and reclaiming the strength, clarity, and intimacy you deserve. Before we can fix something, we have to understand how it works. Ejaculation might seem simple, a single moment in intimacy, but inside your body, it's an intricate performance. It starts in your brain, where nerve signals fire like an orchestra's opening notes. These signals travel down your spinal cord to your pelvic floor muscles, a group of small but powerful muscles that act like the engine of your climax. For that engine to roar, it needs one crucial ingredient: strong, consistent blood flow. Picture your circulatory system as a vast network of highways delivering oxygen and nutrients. In youth, those highways are wide and smooth, letting blood race to its destination. Over time, though, they can narrow or become less flexible. That slows traffic, and in the bedroom, slow traffic means weaker, less forceful contractions during ejaculation. But blood flow isn't the only factor. Your nervous system and hormones must also be in harmony. Testosterone fuels desire and drive, while dopamine, your brain's pleasure chemical, heightens sensation and reward. If either is low, the moment feels dull, delayed, or sometimes absent altogether. When a man notices his ejaculation has changed, whether it's less powerful, takes much longer, or doesn't happen, it's not just a bedroom issue. It's often your body's way of waving a red flag. These changes can hint at problems with circulation, hormonal balance, nerve health, or even early signs of prostate trouble. Here's the good news. None of this means your best days are behind you. These systems can be restored. The 2 silent enemies I'm about to reveal, one in your bloodstream, one in your hormonal system, are not unbeatable. In fact, the tools to fight them may already be in your fridge or pantry. Next, let's meet the first enemy and discover a simple, sweet fruit that can start turning the tide in your favor. The first enemy: poor circulation. The first silent enemy stealing your ejaculatory strength is poor blood circulation. Think of your circulatory system as a network of highways delivering fuel and oxygen to every cell. In your younger years, those roads were clear, wide, and fast. Blood raced where it was needed. But with age, stress, and lifestyle wear and tear, those highways can narrow, stiffen, or get clogged. When that happens, blood doesn't reach its destination with the same force. And in the bedroom, that matters more than most men realize. Ejaculation is not just a release, it's a series of powerful rhythmic muscle contractions in your pelvic floor. Those muscles can only perform if they're flooded with fresh, oxygen-rich blood. If the flow is weak, the contractions lose their punch. Let me tell you about James, a 65-year-old former construction foreman. He came to me looking healthy on the outside, but his voice told another story. "Doctor, it feels like there's no pressure in the system." His climax had become faint, almost as if the body was just going through the motions. Science tells us why. One molecule, nitric oxide, plays the starring role here. It's the signal that tells your blood vessels to open wide. Without it, those vessels stay narrow, starving your muscles of the surge they need. Unfortunately, nitric oxide levels naturally decline with age, unless you actively replenish them. Nature has given us a way to do exactly that. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols that protect your arteries and boost nitric oxide production. Watermelon, on the other hand, is one of the best sources of L-citrulline, an amino acid your body turns into L-arginine, the direct building block for nitric oxide. I put James on a simple plan: a glass of pomegranate juice with breakfast and 2 thick slices of watermelon in the afternoon. No pills, no complicated programs. 2 weeks later, he returned with a smile that said it all. "The pressure's back, Doc." That's the power of fighting the first enemy. But circulation is only half the battle. The second enemy is quieter, more hidden, and it works from inside your brain and hormones. The second enemy, hormonal and nervous system. Imbalance. The second silent enemy doesn't attack your arteries. It attacks your chemistry. It lives in your hormones and nervous system, slowly eroding desire, sensitivity, and pleasure. Its name? Chronic stress. Let me introduce Michael, a 58-year-old accountant. On paper, he was fine. No major illnesses, no medication. But he sat across from me with a look of frustration and fatigue. "Doctor," he said, "I'm there physically, but it feels like I'm not there. The joy is gone." His problem wasn't just delayed ejaculation. It was a loss of connection with himself and his partner. This is what happens when stress becomes your constant companion. Under stress, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. In short bursts, cortisol is useful. It sharpens your senses and prepares you for action. But when it stays high for weeks, months, or years, it starts to sabotage you. Cortisol directly lowers testosterone, the hormone that fuels your desire, drive, and muscle strength. It also reduces dopamine, the neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure and motivation. Think of it like having the brakes and the accelerator pressed at the same time. Your system can't move forward, no matter how hard you try. To fight this, we have to nourish your hormonal system and calm your nervous system. One of my favorite tools is the avocado. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, the raw materials your body uses to produce testosterone. It also contains vitamin B6, which helps regulate cortisol. Then there are pumpkin seeds, a small food with a big impact. They're loaded with zinc, essential for testosterone production, and magnesium, which calms the nervous system and improves sleep quality. Another key to keeping cortisol in check. For Michael, I prescribed half an avocado at lunch and a handful of pumpkin seeds in the afternoon. Within weeks, his sensitivity improved, his anxiety lessened, and the joy he thought was gone returned. When you combine healthy circulation with balanced hormones, something remarkable happens. And that's where our next story begins. How they work together. When you tackle poor circulation and hormonal imbalance at the same time, the results don't just add up. They multiply. Improved blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach not only your pelvic muscles, but also your brain. A sharper, better-fed brain signals more efficiently to your nerves, which improves coordination during intimacy. At the same time, balanced hormones lift mood, restore desire, and heighten sensitivity. Let me tell you about William, a 70-year-old retired teacher. He didn't come to me with a specific complaint. No dramatic loss of function, no urgent crisis. Instead, he described his life in one simple sentence. "Doctor, I'm just existing." His plan was to combine the best of both worlds, circulation boosters and hormone supporters. Each morning, a glass of pomegranate juice. At lunch, half an avocado. In the afternoon, a banana and a handful of pumpkin seeds. Over time, he was feeding his body the very building blocks it needed. A month later, William's transformation wasn't just physical, it was mental. "Doctor," he said, "I've started dreaming again. I'm waking up with ideas. I feel alive." That's the power of synergy. When your blood moves freely and your hormones are in balance, you don't just function, you thrive. Energy isn't something you chase anymore. It's simply part of who you are. And once that foundation is in place, there's a simple bonus habit that can accelerate your results even further. If you've been listening and these stories sound familiar, maybe you felt the same decline in strength, the same loss of pleasure, then I want to remind you of something important. Change is possible, and it can start today. I'm here to give you clear, honest strategies that work, not quick fixes that fade. And if you value this kind of truth in men's health, practical steps you can take without depending on endless prescriptions, I invite you to join this community of men who refuse to settle. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and stay connected. That way, you'll never miss a conversation that could transform your health, energy, and confidence. And I want to hear from you. In the comments, tell me, what's one healthy habit, big or small, that's made a difference for you? Your answer might inspire another man to start his own comeback. Now, let's put everything we've learned into a simple action plan you can start in the next 24 hours. Here's how to start rebuilding your strength and pleasure within the next day. Tomorrow morning, pour yourself a glass of pure pomegranate juice with breakfast. At lunch, add half an avocado to your plate. In the afternoon, snack on a banana and a handful of pumpkin seeds. These foods aren't just healthy, they're specific tools, feeding your circulation and balancing your hormones at the same time. And here's your bonus habit: Kegel exercises. These strengthen the pelvic floor muscles that control ejaculation and contribute to its force. To do them, tighten the muscles you'd use to stop the flow of urine. Hold for 3 seconds, then relax for 3 seconds. Do 10 repetitions twice a day. It's invisible, takes less than 2 minutes, and delivers visible results. Remember, the goal isn't to turn back the clock to your 20s. It's to live your current age with full vitality, energy that flows easily, pleasure that feels natural, and confidence you can carry into every part of life. I've seen men in their 70s regain strength they thought was gone forever, not through magic, but through consistent, intentional action. And if they can do it, so can you. If this message resonates, share it with a brother, a friend, or any man who deserves to know his best days are not over. Subscribe for more science-backed strategies, and let's redefine what it means to age with strength, clarity, and passion. Vitality has no expiration date. Your new chapter starts now.